Welcome back, folks. It's Mick here from Dusty Trail Adventures. About to take you for a run on the Marble Run. This is another bit of trail that I found. Runs for about 10 minutes. I'm going to keep it pretty short and sweet, just riding. This is the Marble Run. I will get back to more of this in a bit. Okay, so this is called the Marble Run, basically because the whole trail feels like you're riding on marbles. The pea gravel is so loose. There's perfectly round rocks that look like marbles and half the size of marbles and round. There's loose sand that's mixed in with it, so you really can't hear it, but the arse end of the bike is constantly drifting. So it's really good. It's a really good actual trail to really learn and watch your throttle control. Once again, you'll see me doing a lot of self-coaching. It keeps my head in the game, and it's a good way to give myself a bit of shit. So we'll get back into it.
She's a bit slippery. Woo-woo! Right hand line, monkey boy. Right hand line downhill. Nice. Nice. Whoa, overrun. This is just a little detour, folks. Front wheel bouncing out. First time I've done that. Ah, well. That was my error. Looking in the bush, not looking at the track. It's very slippery today. Actually feels like I've burped my front tyre as well. Feels like my pressure's down. Yes, 100%. Front tyre has burped, I can concur. Leave a few roost trails for the boys so they know where we're going. All drive, look, yeah, nice. Slow down, Mickey boy. Nice cornering, mate. Nice and smooth. Smooth power.
So the other thing about the Marble Run, it has a lot of erosion in it as well. So because it not only is it a bit windy, it also has some inclines and declines in it. So being so sandy underneath with the pea gravel, the mixture of it it's just washed out. So line choice is quite important. It's very easy to get bounced out of a line. So looking well ahead is good. I can also concur that I did burp the tyre because I checked my tyre pressure when I got home and I was down to like 22.5, 23 psi in the front. I started with my standard 28, 26 in the morning, so at some stage I burped the front tyre and I could feel it because you could, when you hit certain rocks or tree roots, I could feel that coming through the rim, so hence the reason I thought I'd burped my front tyre. Anyway, it's an awesome run, the Marble Run. It's definitely a regular on my list.
The Mitre CO7 Plus on the rear, doing the job, finding traction. Got the XT Plus on the front, beautiful, so much. feel in the front. Probably because she's running a couple of PSI under as well. That's it, Mick, be smooth. That's it. Unweight your pegs. Nice. Drift the back in, Mick. That's it. Nice. Weight your pegs. Beautiful. Nice and smooth. That little rock in the middle there, it's tried coming through there before power slide and pretty much went smack into it, and it was pretty terrible.
Like, subscribe, share, guys. Really appreciate it. Words from the other two guys at the end of this run. Epic. Gnarly washouts. Good fun. Very loose.
Just need to smoothen up a bit, Mick. Bit erratic on your braking. Smooth as fast. That's it. Smoothen up. Roll it on. That's better, boy. That's it. Nice and smooth. That's it. Find the rut. Elbows up, boy. Rocks. Use the berm, use the berm. Atta boy. Just like then, I find sliding into the windrow, then giving the throttle a bit of a crack out, straightens you up pretty nice. Nice. Now for the downhill stuff. Stick on the road. Nice. Oh. Tightens up here. Smooth power, lots of loose pea gravel, rocks. Yep. Definitely could do with a bit of rain, I know that. Jeez. She's a bit skatey. Good fun, but get that arse end sliding. Pick your line, Mick. That's it. Up the guts. That's it. Yep. Left. Tree. Ooh. Sorry, camera. Right line. That's it. Nice. Yeah. Wheelie for that. Nice. New stick on my line. Cross up here. Oh, messed that up. Bad choice, Mick. Bad choice. Bad choice. The other trick with the 890 is if I over rev it, it just breaks traction heaps. So definitely short shifting. Makes it a bit nicer. Pretty much in that video I put out a couple of weeks ago, do you know? Classic example of getting over the back of the bike for braking. Not so much here. I'm trying to let the bike find its natural way down the terrain without fighting it. Bit of an off camber. But yeah, so there's that false neutral. That's it, soak it up. Pick your line. That's it, no front brake through there. Very good. Nice. That's a nice little run out of Lightning Trail. Good fun. Let's wait for the boys now. And we will reconvene. That was good fun.